In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress blog. You would go to Namecheap or whatever registrar you want to use. You type in, like here I typed in davidverney.com and it's come up with this. However, it's given me the option of buying it for £762.92, which quite honestly I can't afford that, and there's no way I'm going to buy it for that price, so I'm not going to get it. But I have loads of other websites, and this is one of them. This is viralspiral.com, 101viralspiral.com, and this is the theme, the WordPress theme here. As you can see, it basically, once I have ordered my hosting and my domain name, they will send me the details in the email, and I will access that email, and it will include my username and password, and I will access the details, access the cpanel. Through that, it'll give me my cpanel login domain, so I just need to go to that and enter my details. And once I have done that, it comes up with this page here. You scroll all the way down until you find WordPress down here. So you click on WordPress, and it comes up with this page here. This shows both my blogs, Viral Spiral and Live the Dream Online.blog. This is my main business blog. I only have these two set up with WordPress.org because the others are pointing to different websites. So there we go. And I have got this theme here. This is the default theme, which I can set it to anytime I want to, and there we go. I will now jump from my 101viralspiral.com site to the, let's have a look at the Live the Dream Online.blog site. Here we are at Live the Dream Online.blog. You'll see my logo here, and here's my blog posts. I try to do every couple of days, so I will have one day where I'm promoting and one day where I am writing a blog post, and I also have to keep my main livethedreamonline.net site working as well and up to date with new contents on a regular basis. So I will do that, and these are some of the blog posts that I have created. Let's have a look at this one that I did today. Did this one today. This was for another blogging crash course that I found on bigproductstore.com. I always do an image like this because it's good for sharing on Pinterest, and you will see, for instance, this headline here. The sub-headline here. The course content could include more information. Well, let's find a better example actually. One second. A free of charge video training course. That's something that somebody will probably want to type into Google. So when they type into Google, they find something with the headlines of a free of charge video training course, or they could type in something like they might not type in there is some great advice, but they might type great advice available to you throughout the course, or great advice available to you they might put in, or a course that motivates you to find out more, possibly. Who want to put these? Not all the graphics. So these aren't the best examples of headlines, but they are headlines nonetheless. This would be a much better example. Blogging crash course. That's one headline. One point in that headline. A review. People want reviews all the time. A review of free video training course. So within this headline here, people could use 3 different combinations. They could just type in blogging crash course, which probably quite a few people do. They could type in a review of you know, a review is a word that people would probably want to put into Google, and of course a free video training course is probably quite often put into Google. So that's an example of a good headline. So there we go. Let's go into my back office now. Just a minute. Being visually impaired, you have to chase mouse around the screen sometimes. So here we are in my back office for Live the Dream Online.blog, and posts. You can see all my posts here. Here we go, every post I've written for it. There we go. And you'll find plugins here. Here are some of my favorite plugins. Facebook Comments, which is a great plugin because it means that you won't be spammed quite so much. Google Analytics dashboard for WP, that's a great one as well. And I use Yoast for Yoast. Pinterest pin it button and Yoast. Yoast is probably one of my favorite, well, probably is my favorite WordPress plugin because it's such a great asset for your search engine optimization. So I'll give you an example of Yoast. This is an example of Yoast. You'll see all these green dots here, means that everything's fine, everything is good for the search engine optimization. So that's great. And here as well, it's all green, which really it can't be better than that. That means everything is good. It's got everything going for it, which is really great news for the blogger because it means it will rank highly on Google. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you would like to subscribe, please do so. If you would like to like the video, please do so. And I look forward to presenting more videos for you in the near future. Thank you.